Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are tackling a question that might seem simple, but trust me, it can trip even the best of us. How do you make bold lines in Word document? Well, fear not, because I am here to show you. Let's start. First, you first we delete these lines. It is taking time. Oh, it's over. Now, what we have to do is just go to insert section, and after that you have to click on shapes. These are the shapes. Just go to these line section. Just click on that and draw a line like this. And if you want a bold line like this, just right click on that line. Just click on format auto shape, and this way you will get whatever you want. Like if you want some bold line at 10 points, we just select 10 points and click on OK. It will be bold automatically. If you want if you want a dotted line, then you go just format auto shape, and you can select here dashed. If you want dotted line, then you go to dot and click on OK. Then it will be changes into dotted line. If you want, like if you don't want dotted line, if you want that line is come with the arrow symbol, you can click on this here from the beginning, and from the last you can select also whatever the type you want arrow, you can select from here. Just select OK. This is like this. If you don't want a dotted line, then you can click on that here and select here. Just click on this and this. This is the line. And if you want more than 2 lines like this, just click on this line. Just copy Ctrl plus C and Ctrl plus V this line, and you can format this line, like just format and just remove this line and like this, and we got this line. Okay, thank you everyone to joining us. We hope that you learn the how to insert bold line in a Word document. Thank you.